All right, guys, this video is going to be absolutely jam-packed with knowledge. We have a couple things to go over inside of this video. We're going to be talking about how and why you should order a custom hair system potentially, how to get the right color if you're going to get a custom hair system. We're going to be talking about how to make a template specific to your head, so that way whether you are getting a custom unit or a stock unit, you can make sure it's the right size for you. We're going to be talking about how to actually shave your head to match the template. So we're going to be talking about a lot of stuff. Make sure that you take notes, follow along. That way we can get through this video. You can learn a lot and apply it to your specific situation. So first up, we are going to talk all about custom hair systems. Now, LaVivid has some great stock for you to consider buying. They have lots of units and lots of different colors with lots of different densities, but everyone has different hair. Everyone has different needs from a hair system. So ordering a custom hair system may be necessary for you depending on your circumstances. Let's go through a couple made up situations that maybe could determine that you want a custom hair system. Let's say, for example, that you're a little bit older or you have very, very thin hair, meaning on the sides of your head that you don't have much there and you want something that looks age appropriate. LaVivid may not have the right density of a hair system in their stock units for you in the particular base type you want. Let's say that you live in, say, Florida, like I do, and you want a very, very breathable unit, say a poly hybrid with a French lace or a complete French lace with extra light density. And LaVivid just doesn't have one of those. Well, all you have to do is make sure that you order a custom unit. Custom units are absolutely fantastic because everything about them can be custom made for you. What types of things? Well, you can customize the base material. You can customize the template so that way when it arrives at your door, it is precisely to your specific pattern that you need for your scalp. They can customize the density to make it perfect for your particular hair. They can get the color spot on so that it's a perfect match for you every single time and you don't have to worry about discrepancies between your hair and the hair system. You can select where you want the hair in the unit to come from, where the crown is, if it's going to be a little bit to the left, if it's in the center, or if you want freestyle hair that can go any which direction. You can ask for bleached knots in the front or in all of the unit. You can ask for a specific percentage of gray hair inside of your unit. You can ask for so much variation with a custom unit that if you're finding a stock unit isn't right for you, a custom unit is the way to go. Now, you can get the density for your particular needs by ordering a density chart from LaVivid or having a professional help you determine what your particular density is. Now, one of the things that's hard for a lot of people to figure out is what the correct hair color is for them. So what I've done is I've actually got a color ring right here, which is something that you can get from LaVivid as well on the website. They will send it to you and you can use it to figure out what your perfect color is. You can either do that or you can opt to send them a lock of your hair and they will have their color specialist match your hair color absolutely perfectly, which might be the best option for you if you are colorblind like I am, or you just want LaVivid to handle it. There's no wrong way to go about it, but I'm going to show you what the coloring looks like right here and what to expect. So you can see all through this right here, there's all sorts of different colors, everything from a very, very blonde material right here to some dirty blonde, all the way into some blacks right here, like a 1B. 1B is generally very very dark color. So how do I go and find my hair color? Well, obviously a hair color like this is not the correct match for me, right? Also a 1 right here, obviously not the right color. So we can start to weed out what the wrong colors are. So you basically kind of whittle down the color ring until you get the perfect match for you. Now you want to do this somewhere that you have good lighting that is going to shine on your hair. That way you can properly see the colors, and that way shadows, darkness isn't interfering with the color of your hair and the colors on the color ring. Particularly for me, my hair color is a ash 7, which is what we have right here. So we can see that when I put this up to my hair, it is a perfect match and allows for a great blend into my natural hair color. I wear an ash 7. You will have your individual color, and the beauty about this is that you can use this color to order any system from LaVivid from here on out. Now, we've talked about a lot of the other parts of picking a custom unit in other videos, but each of these individual factors can really make sure that you get the unit that is right for you.